Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website AI. First, clearly define your AI's purpose and who it will serve. Consider what problems it solves or what value it provides. Next, select the appropriate AI model and the technologies you'll use. Finally, plan the user experience and interface design to ensure it is intuitive and engaging for your visitors. This foundational planning is crucial for a successful AI integration. Once your plan is solid, the next step involves data. You need to gather relevant and high-quality data, which is the fuel for your AI. This data might include thousands of text entries or images, depending on your AI's function. Then, meticulously preprocess and clean this data to remove inconsistencies and errors, ensuring it is ready for training. Finally, select the most suitable machine learning algorithms for your specific task. With your data prepared, it's time to build. Develop your AI model using frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, focusing on achieving high performance, perhaps 90% accuracy. Then, integrate this powerful AI into your website's backend, ensuring seamless communication between components. Simultaneously, design a user-friendly front-end that allows visitors to easily interact with your AI, making the experience intuitive and engaging for everyone. The final stage involves rigorous testing and deployment. Thoroughly test your AI for accuracy, speed, and reliability across various scenarios, aiming for minimal latency, perhaps under 100 milliseconds. Once confident, deploy your AI-powered website to your audience. But the work doesn't stop there. Continuously monitor its performance, gather user feedback, and refine the AI model. Iterative improvements are key to long-term success and user satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.